Hi, my name's Rob and I'm going to show you some dribbling skills. So, dribbling looks like this. We're keeping the ball nice and close to our feet as we move around and use different parts of our feet to change direction. Okay, the points to dribble are as follows. So we keep our knees nice and bent so we can change direction. We keep our head up so we can see what's going on. And we take soft little touches to keep the ball next to us. We can also use every part of our foot. So it'd be great to practice using the bottom of your foot, the outside of your foot, the inside of the foot, and the front of the foot. So there's some basic points on how to dribble, and this is what it looks like. Okay, that's great. If you want to see any more of our videos, please see our YouTube channel, Sports Extra Skill Schools.